Hi guys, I'm Manam from 𝗀𝗺𝗪. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a contact form using the Ninja Form plugin in WordPress. So now let's get started. First, here we come in the dashboard. Now go to the plugins area and click on add new. And here we will search the Ninja Forms plugin. Here it is. Click on install now. And activate the plugin. Now here we can see the Ninja Forms option on the left sidebar. Click on it. And here we can see that there is a default form existing. Now we will delete it. Type delete here. Now we will create a new form. First click on new, and here we have multiple options of creating a different types of form. We will create everything from scratch, so click on blank form, and on the right side we have all the fields that we need to enter. So whatever the fields we require, just drag and drop on the left side. Now we have all the fields. Now we will also enter submit button below this, so that our form will be submitted. So now we have all the fields. So we will click on done button here, and we will click on publish. Here we need to enter the name for the contact form. We will write contact form and click on publish. Now our contact form is created on the Ninja Forms plugin. Now we need to embed it on the contact page. So here we will copy this shortcode and now we go to the pages to create a contact page. Here click on publish. Now we click on edit with Elementor, so that our contact page will open. Here let's create a page structure quickly. Just add a top banner for the contact page. Okay. And here we will embed our form. So now let's create section here. And let's add shortcode element. Now we will paste the shortcode that we copied here and click on update button. So now let's check the preview. So yeah, here is our contact page and here is our contact form. Now let's check it after entering details, phone number, email. Yeah. Our form is now submitting successfully. So now let's check on our email if we received anything from it. Here we can see our Ninja Forms has been received. So whenever a user fills that form, you will receive the email on your administrative email that was set. So if you need to check where the email is going, you go to settings and general, and here you can check your email. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like the video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.